Hi, I'm David Hainan, founder and chemist for LOMA Hair Care. It's my honor today to introduce you to LOMA Essentials. It is what it says, just like all the LOMA brands. Essential oil-based hair and skin care. And it's just unbelievable chemistry that you're going to enjoy. So the first three products are moisturizing shampoo and body wash. Yes, all three of the products are multi-use. So this rich, creamy, luxurious shampoo and body wash based on pure peppermint and rosemary essential oils. You'll love the aromatherapy, or what we call LOMA therapy experience in the shower. The second product is the moisturizing conditioner and body butter. Wow, pure rosemary and peppermint. You can see the difference between the two. This has a higher load of rosemary, so you're going to love the warm tones of the pure rosemary and the peppermint, both on the skin and on the hair. Then the last product is moisturizing styling cream and body lotion. This has a more citrus blend of essential oils, pure bergamot and grapefruit essential oils. Great to finish off the hair and to moisturize the scalp. So these first three products are built around Healthy Scalp Complex. Healthy Scalp Complex is about Cleanse, which is the shampoo and body wash, Invigorate, which is the conditioner and the body butter, and Nourish, which is the styler and body lotion. This complex is built around herbs and vitamins and extracts and oils, a brand new base of proteins. So let's talk about the features and the benefits and what makes up Healthy Scalp Complex. We're LOMA, so of course it's based in pure organic aloe vera, which cleanses, purifies. It's a great low pH. It's wonderful on the skin. It adds shine to the hair. Number two is our pure organic glycerin, which is a vegetable-based glycerin, which hydrates and moisturizes both the skin and the hair. Number three, turmeric extract softens the hair and the skin, moisturizes, and one of the benefits is anti-inflammatory, which is so important to the skin and to the hair. Organic thyme extract creates a healthy environment in the skin and the scalp. It's clarifying. It's an antioxidant, and it's also very rich in vitamin C. Rosemary, of course, you love it from cooking, but it protects against free radicals, which is real important in the skin, and environmental damage, so pollutions and sun, and it's a great antioxidant. Chamomile, like aloe, chamomile is it's an anti-inflammatory. It helps to calm the skin and add shine to the hair. Arnica extract, it relieves the itching and irritation. So again, we're talking about the skin and the hair. It's really great on the skin, both on the scalp and the hands and body. Next is a key ingredient, pure celery seed extract. It promotes scalp purity and comfort, soothes itching and reduces oil. It moisturizes, and it's rich in vitamins B, C, and E. Now let's talk about these innovative proteins. I'm not sure if anyone else is using them, but you're going to love this. You don't eat it, but we use pure kale, lemon, and carrot proteins. First of all is kale, rich in natural vitamin C, strengthens the dry skin. It's a natural collagen, vitamins, and rich, full to moisturize the skin and the hair. Lemon protein, acidic by nature, so it helps to close down the cuticle, add moisture to the skin. It's also rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. Carrot protein is an antioxidant, rich in vitamin A, C, K, and B6. It promotes overall health to the skin. Now, the organic oils that we use are baobab. Baobab's from Africa, and it's a large, strong tree, much like our trees in California. So when I think of baobab, baobab builds strength in the hair, and it's wonderful. It adds heat protection, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and more importantly, like I said, it builds strength in the hair. Pure organic coconut oil protects, moisturizes, and deep conditions both the skin and the hair. Last, the addition of two more vitamins, panthenol, Vitamin B5 moisturizes and it actually plumps the hair. And last is vitamin E, derived from sunflower. Vitamin E helps to encourage hair growth through healthy scalp. This is the Healthy Scalp Complex. You're going to love the LOMA therapy experience, and a healthy scalp means healthy hair.